I'm getting my eye level back there. Because I'm going to draw a 1-point perspective box on the floor here in my 2-point perspective room. So that's the equivalent of these. If I'm drawing this table, guys, in 2-point perspective, one going that way and one going that way, okay? And I have this box sitting like this. This box is going at 1-point perspective, but this table I'd be drawing from 2-point perspective. You guys understand? Now, what do you think has to be a constant? What must maintain? Eye level. The eye level is what's important, okay? You can get out. I think you can get a bachelor's degree in perspective, because it's just endless. You know, you study it more and more and more. And these basic fundamentals are so important. So, I think my red marker might be working better now. I'm going to establish a vanishing point here on eye level. That green horizontal line is the same eye level I used for my right and left vanishing points, right? So I'm simply going to construct a 1-point perspective box. Just like that. That's all I'm going to do. Forget the room is even there right now. I'm going to put a 1-point perspective box right here. So I'm going to draw the bottom plane of the box first. But we also have to keep in mind the rules for 1 point now. Vertical, horizontal, or to the VP. So here we go. From my vanishing point that I just set up arbitrarily, I mean it's on eye level, but I put it wherever I wanted to on the eye level. I'm going to make a bottom plane of a box, and where people will get confused with this is they'll forget that they're drawing 1 point now. We're only using that red vanishing point. So a couple of horizontals to connect them. And I've got the bottom plane of my box. I can't forget that I'm doing 1 point. So now I have the width and the length of that box. I'll just do it all in red so you can see it. Let's get the height. I'm going to make it tall. So now we're back at that point once again where any one of you would come up and complete the same box because we know the length, the width, and the height. Remember, everything's connected to a corner. So, from any corner I can draw. Put a horizontal there. This is semi-quick review of a 1-point box again. Okay, front plane, bottom plane. Easy peasy. Let's finish it off. Couple lines going back to my vanishing point. I'm not really instructing how to do this with this, what I did here. Vertical, vertical, and it should line up in the back of the horizontal. And it does. There's a 1-point perspective box and a 2-point perspective room. Yeah, I mean, where is that box in relation to eye level, by the way? Okay, good. Hey, look at why this would be important. Let's say it was a table. That'd be a tall table, but let's say you wanted to draw a table. Here you go. The bottom plane is drawn first. You know where the 4 outside corners of the legs are making contact with the floor. You guys understand that? Okay. I could put another vanishing point here and make a 1-point perspective box here. I can make multiple 1-point perspective boxes in here. But once I started turning the thing too much, the box too much, it becomes 2-point perspective, okay? You guys follow? Okay, but wait, there's more. Josh, you want more?
Yeah.
Josh wants more. Okay, who else wants more? Okay, okay. Let's make a, I wanna make a skylight on the ceiling, but there's not a lot of room to make much of a skylight, so I'll make a little one. Now I'm back to 2-point. So you gotta make sure you, you know which you're using, 1 or 2-point. So forget the box now. Here comes a skylight on the ceiling. It's a flat ceiling. So I'm just making a plane from my right and left vanishing points here. That's all I'm doing. Nothing fancy going on here. Okay, that's the equivalent of the bottom of a box, but it's on the ceiling. So since it's a skylight, what's the skylight? It's a window in the ceiling, right? Let's give it some thickness. Thickness of the roof. And then 2 more lines, one going to my right VP, one going to my left VP, and my skylight, basic skylight, is finished. Oh boy. I love it when lines disappear. Okay. I have to take that line to the hospital. Somebody go out there and tell them we're my red marker's not feeling again. Okay, it's a small skylight, but that little bitty rectangle you see there, that's the sky. The rest of it is the thickness of the roof. If I'd have had more ceiling to play with, I would have drawn a bigger sky. So far, so good?